The Internet, once designed as a single, global network, is breaking apart. This is called the SPLINTERNET. It refers to the division of the Internet into separate national or regional zones, each with its own rules, filters, and access restrictions. Let's begin with China. China's government operates what is known as the Great Firewall. It blocks major Western websites including Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Chinese users access a state-approved version of the Internet, using domestic platforms like Baidu, WeChat, and Alibaba. These platforms are integrated with real-time surveillance and content moderation, powered by artificial intelligence. Next, the United States. In 2017, net neutrality was repealed by the Federal Communications Commission. This allowed Internet service providers to prioritize, throttle, or block content. Major tech companies, Google, Amazon, Meta, Apple, each operate closed ecosystems, creating siloed user experiences. The result, American users are increasingly trapped inside corporate platforms that do not share data or functionality with each other. Now, the European Union. In 2018, the EU enacted the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. This law restricts how companies collect and store data. In 2022, the Digital Markets Act went into effect. It forces large platforms to allow third-party interoperability in Europe, but only in Europe. This means companies now offer different versions of their platforms depending on your location. In Russia, the government has developed Runet, a sovereign internet system. In 2019, Russia conducted a test to disconnect from the global internet. It succeeded. The country passed laws requiring all internet traffic to be routed through government-controlled exchange points. In India, internet shutdowns are frequent. According to Access Now, India led the world in internet blackouts for 5 consecutive years. In Iran, the government restricts access to global internet services and replaces them with local alternatives. During protests, authorities often block mobile data entirely. Africa has experienced similar disruptions. Countries like Ethiopia, Sudan, and Nigeria have shut down internet access during elections or civil unrest. Globally, countries are now pushing for data localization laws, requiring companies to store user data within national borders. This affects how platforms operate and limits cross-border data exchange. Each of these actions fragments the Internet. The DNS system, once a shared structure, is now filtered differently by region. Encryption standards